corporate versus non-corporate companies, and how politics shapes them. To truly understand construction in Turkey, you must understand the companies that build it, because the industry is not one single system. It is two parallel worlds operating side by side, each shaped by its own culture, resources, methods, and relationships. 1. Corporate companies, Turkey's professional, global face. Corporate construction firms in Turkey operate with a level of professionalism that rivals European and international standards. These companies follow regulations strictly, implement modern technologies, maintain detailed documentation, invest in training and safety, welcome formal inspections, deliver consistent, predictable quality, work comfortably on international megaprojects. Their offices look like engineering headquarters. Their sites run with structure and discipline. Their processes align with global norms, from BIM modeling to advanced formwork and digital quality control. These companies are the reason Turkey has delivered airports across the Middle East, highways in Central Asia, shopping malls in Europe, tunnels and bridges in Africa, entire city districts abroad. They represent Turkey's global reputation: fast, capable, competitive, and internationally competent. 2. Non-corporate companies, flexible, connected, and risk-driven. But beyond the polished world of corporate giants lies another, much larger ecosystem: the non-corporate companies. These firms operate very differently. They create their own internal rules, rely heavily on personal and political connections, negotiate aggressively on price and scope, take high risks, use traditional methods, move fast, but with less documentation, may cut corners to increase profit. For them, flexibility is not a choice. It is the business model. A well-known example shows how far this flexibility can go. Some non-corporate developers reduce elevator shaft dimensions to increase the sellable floor area of apartments. This means more profit for the developer, higher selling price per square meter, but lower comfort and reduced long-term quality for residents. This kind of behavior doesn't come from carelessness. It comes from economic pressure, low margins, and a system where oversight is inconsistent and where negotiation often overrides regulation. And then there is the political layer. Politics in Turkey plays a structural role in construction. It influences who wins major tenders, how quickly permits are approved, how strict inspections are, which companies receive favorable treatment, which companies gain access to public funds, how disputes are resolved. Political relationships often serve as accelerators, opening doors that might stay closed for competitors. For non-corporate companies, these connections can mean survival. For corporate companies, they can be strategic assets. The result: two different quality pathways. In Turkey, quality can be negotiated downward. Projects may reduce material quality, dimensions, safety margins, finishing standards to meet a client's budget or speed expectations. The focus is often on delivering quickly, affordably, or under difficult conditions. In the Netherlands, quality is protected upward. Regulations, inspectors, and legal requirements enforce minimum standards that cannot be negotiated away. Even if a client wants to reduce quality to save money, the system simply does not allow it. Two systems, two mindsets, two realities. Turkey's construction sector is flexible, relationship-driven, and built for speed and adaptation. The Netherlands sector is controlled, rule-driven, and built for consistency and safety. Neither is inherently better. Each reflects the culture and pressures that shaped it. Together, they form a powerful contrast that explains why these two countries build so differently.